Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today we're going to be cooking up some carrot dogs, and you're not going to want to miss this. So let's just get right to it. You're going to peel your carrots like so, and you're going to cut off the front end and the back end of the carrot. Once you've done that, you're going to make sure they're about the same length, about the length of the bun, as much as possible, of course. Carrots can vary. And then we're going to go ahead and make this marinade. First, we're going to be adding in 1/4 cup of cocoa aminos. We're also going to add in 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vegetable broth. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. As you know, I love me some maple syrup. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to add in a tablespoon of liquid smoke. Actually, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. We're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. We're going to add in a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. I just sprinkled it in. And a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of steak sauce. Whisk it all together. Then you're going to put in your carrots. You're going to make sure that they're submerged in the marinade so that they can soak up all the flavor. Put it on the stove on a medium heat. Let it begin to boil for 10 minutes. Then you're going to put holes in the carrots so it can soak up some more of the marinade. And then you are going to cover it for another 10 minutes and let it cook. Once it's cooked for those 10 minutes, you're going to check it for tenderness. Perfect. And that tenderness looks like it's going to have the best bite. You take it from the marinade and you're going to add it to the cast iron skillet with the grill marks to give it that extra flavor to be cooked into it, as well as give it the marks from the grill. You're going to use the grill press. Press down. Then you're going to turn them over and do it again. Perfect. Now that looks great. Those look like the best carrot dogs. Now we're going to go ahead and put these carrot dogs together. We're going to use the brioche buns and add in the carrot dogs. Then we're going to add in the pecan chili that I made. You can see that video in the playlist that is attached, vegan style recipes, and add that on there like that. Yes, looks good. Perfect. Look at that pecan chili. Check out that video on how to make that pecan chili. Also, we're going to sprinkle on some onions. Yes, we're going to add in the mustard. Look at there. And some ketchup. Beautiful carrot dogs with pecan chili. Now to dress it up, we're going to just add in some coleslaw that I made, which is a cabbage slaw, And we're also going to add in the vegan baked beans. And both of these recipes as well will be in that same playlist that will be attached at the end, the vegan styled recipes. So check that out if you want to make the baked beans or the cabbage slaw. Now take a look at this beautiful display of carrot dogs with pecan chili, and let's taste it. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Carrot dogs. Carrot dogs are my favorite. Cheers. You can just put regular ketchup and mustard on it. You can put ketchup, mustard, no chili. You can add smashed avocado, superb. Or you can do a relish and onions, just relish. Oh my gosh, so many ways to dress up a carrot dog. And the flavor is beyond. If you try this, let me know, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I am. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.